When the lights are out, my heart is your home. When the stars are crashing, your heart is my own. And it goes on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on. Oh yeah. When the lights are out, my heart is...
Welcome to Luxury Reimagined. This is the 2026 Toyota Alphard, where first-class comfort meets elite design. Built for those who demand space, elegance, and silence. A broken bar. This isn't just a van, it's a mobile VIP lounge. From the bold diamond pattern grille to its futuristic LED headlamps and smooth aerodynamic lines, the Alphard makes a powerful statement. It's not trying to be flashy, it simply owns the road with grace. Step inside, and you're surrounded by serenity. The cabin features premium leather, Ottoman-style captain seats, and ambient lighting that turns every drive into a first-class journey. With power sliding doors, dual sunroofs, and rear seat entertainment, the Alphard doesn't just transport it indulges. The dashboard is modern and intelligent, with the 12.3-inch touchscreen, 968-degree surround view camera, and the latest Toyota safety sense. Every button, every function is designed with you in mind. Under the hood, the Alphard offers a refined 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain, delivering both performance and efficiency. The E4AWD system ensures stability and smooth handling, whether you're gliding through the city or heading for a long-distance escape. The 2026 Toyota Alphard is more than transportation, it's a statement of class, a VIP experience, and a reminder that luxury can live on four wheels. Ready to elevate your journey?